Hey guys, I guess we can get started already. Just a matter of time. We have 1 hour total. We consumed already 4 minutes. Just to avoid going out of time quickly, what we'll do is that we will focus on the demos here. And then please, if you have questions, ask them in the chat. And then the appropriate teams will answer your questions. Okay. Then jumping back quickly to the presentation. This is the first hackathon midpoint checkpoint, where we'll do mainly like intermediate demos of the apps you have built, guys. So thank you very much, first of all, for all the work you put behind it. Yeah, so that was really good traction. Quickly on the hackathon itself, this is timeline and rewards reminder. So the hackathon started on June 18th.
So sorry, one thing. I'm only seeing the slideshow as like a small part of the screen. Is it possible to like, I don't know, like I see your mouse actually in a black part. Maybe you have 2 monitors or something.
Yes, I have.
Okay. I don't know if it's possible to share just the one or something. It's fine if not 2, just a little small.
Yeah, let me try that. Okay, so I will bring it back here. I'm not sure if this is going to work, but you were not able to read it, right?
I could see it. It's okay if not. It just was like half the screen was like one monitor black and the other half was like the presentation.
Oh, that's strange. Let me try this way. Okay.
This is working now. Yeah.
This is working. Okay. And how about now?
Still working. Yeah. Thanks.
Yeah. Okay. So the let me check another thing because is it better now?
Yep, still good.
Okay, perfect. Okay, sorry guys. I'm going to go a little bit faster. This is just a reminder of the timeline and the rewards. Hackathon started on June 18th. And just a reminder that in the same time, the block production challenge continues. Then we gave it until June 21st to create the teams and to propose like the dApps. And now we are on June 26th. And this is the midpoint demo and check-in session. A reminder that the hackathon will last until July 1st. Yeah, quickly, this is about the timeline. Now, a quick reminder about the rewards. As I said previously, there are 3 buckets. The first one is that everyone who demonstrated an interesting amount of effort will get 5,000 points. Then there will be second point, which is mainly judge awards. This is User Node Labs team will go through the apps and will judge and will attribute votes. And then the first team, the members of the first team will get 10,000 points each, 7,500 for the second place for every participant, 5,000 points for the third place. And then there will be a third bucket, which is mainly the community-based voting, okay? And the breakdown of the points is the same. In case you get to the 5,000 first, then 10,000 points in the second bucket and the 10,000 points in the third bucket. So there is up to 25,000 points possible per participant. This is about the rewards. Then how it's going so far. I think I shared this previously. We had initially 10 teams, so we reached 10 teams, but at the end we are only 9. So one team said that they will not be able to deliver, and then consequently we excluded them from this hackathon. They will participate in the next ones, but they will not have time for this one. But the most important thing is that we have 9 teams. We have 76 builders, which is crazy, which is really good. And we, as I said, we see already a lot of traction, more than 900 PRs, more than 700 merged PRs already, and more than 2,000 commits. So as you can see, like in 2 weeks, the numbers are just crazy. This is a quick overview of the teams and what each team tries to do. I'm not going to go through this since everyone will demo his app, but this is a summary of the teams. Now, the way we are going to do is the following. We have the list of the teams here with their apps. The first team is ZKOK. I'm not sure if I pronounced it this way or ZKOK. They said they will demo it live. Same thing for the Alpha Mind. And then from 3 to 8, the team shared already the videos of the demos. And I'm going to just play them on my laptop and share my screen. And then the last one, which is Cube P2P, who didn't receive yet the video. If someone is already in the audience from this team, please share your video if you have it. If not, then let's chat quickly. So then I will start with the first team, which is ZKOK team. Do we have someone here from the team? Flash the fashion. Do we have him here? Okay, seems not. And Evie, not here. That's fine, guys. Ria, could you just confirm if I think they confirmed that they will be present, but just if you don't mind to confirm if they said that or not. Okay, thank you very much, Ria. So let's jump to the second team. Hopefully they are here. So that's the Alpha Mind team. So Alpha Mind team. Oh, I guess we have a lot of people from the team here. Guys, do you want to join the stage and share your demo? Okay, so someone is raising his hand.
Hello everyone.
Hello, and thank you very much for joining the stage. We should celebrate this because you are the first one from community to join the stage. So thank you very much for doing that. So okay, go ahead.
I cannot share my screen.
Okay. So,
still prohibited. But I share my deck into the chat.
Okay, let me then share that and then just go through the slides if you don't mind. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you for having me, and I'm really nervous to the stage. I will present my team work. We call this project is Puzzle Chain. This is on-chain fun, but made this social. We create the daily puzzles and classic game you play with friends. So it's actually yours own, and we create the demo so far. So the purpose is just fun, nothing meaning and we need to try is can be on chain into go to the blockchain. So we want to log A for play one puzzle a day, then we can try to track streak going and how many puzzle can solve per day per person, and we can share with friend, then we can scoring then, and the database we hope can be on chain, and this is will reset every day in midnight UTC, and we propose the three solution. Can you please next? Is first is daily puzzle, and second is classic game. We have a dozen games with from Snake, Minesweeper, Mancala, Zuma, like that, holding Texas, like that, and Flip. When you win, you can share, you can post your winner and comment and replay, and you can make a friend in the apps. And you can have for next. Sorry, I cannot live demo in here, but you can find our apps in I don't know, this is my broken thing. Yeah, that's a puzzle chain. Yeah, you can try its own. We have a budget system, we have a daily puzzle, and we have a leaderboard for daily. And yeah, we will try this will be on chain. And yeah, we create each a game has on logic into that. And yeah, for the next, what work so far? Daily puzzle with streak and 15 badges, and dozen classic game playable. You can play anytime. Social feed, friends, follow up. Tip not work now, but you can see the profile of your friend. Then score the progress. Also, we add the resume for daily puzzle, but and still rock is this I think is still staging build, not production. So on-chain payout, still placeholder, no real money, and validator to send result, and real-time head-to-head, not yet. We have a plan to create the player versus player, like that. Player so far on the leaderboard, so still tiny. And yeah, and what's next? We want to make this on-chain is real, so more to play, and we can deliver the play against friends and go to market and sharp the UI UX. That's all from us.
Thank you very much, Tian. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing right your name, but yeah, this is really nice. Thank you for sharing this. I just so this is the app puzzle chain, and I guess it's already available for everyone who wanted to test it. With the caveat that there are few improvements to do in the next days. So once again, thank you very much for joining the stage. I really appreciate that, and you managed it really, really, really well. And yeah, so this is an amazing work. Yeah, we have to celebrate it. And now I will probably spend less time working. I will probably spend more time playing your game.
Thank you. Thank you for all the time, especially Maragung to lead the team. Thank you.
Thank you very much to the team. Thank you again. So Tian, I guess you can leave the stage, and please monitor the chat if there are questions from community. And now we'll move to the next team. So once again, thank you very much. This is really a good work. Now, if I return back to our list, so we said ZK, I think I saw Flush the Fashion joined. So Flush the Fashion, if you are ready, then please join the stage. Okay, I'm not sure how. Yeah, no problem. We'll invite you to join the stage. Let me just check if I can do it. I think you should have a button. Yeah, to invite yourself actually to the stage. Could you tell me if you can see it? Yeah, that's the request to speak button. So let me. Thank you, Drea, for that. I was about to share my screen and share that button, but Drea is smarter and faster. Oh. Flash the fashion of just, yeah, exactly. Invite to speak. Okay, perfect. Flash the fashion, you are now a star. You are the second to join the stage. And not sure if you can speak. I can see that you are on mute. If you can speak,
okay.
please go ahead and start.
Sorry about that. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you, and no problem at all.
I was ready for half an hour ago, so, half an hour, so I just jumped on. Okay, cool. So let me, maybe I can show you.
Yeah, me too, actually. I don't hear anything anymore. Yeah, same here, actually. It happened when I stopped sharing my screen. Oh, okay. You can hear me then? Evan, can you hear me?
Hello, yeah. I think we could hear you. It just cut out
Oh,
for Flex
okay.
the Fashion.
Yeah, I think we
just
lost
switching the-
him.
Mhm.
Yeah.
He was saying, yeah, maybe we go to the next one. He was saying they had thought it was in 30 minutes about, so maybe
Yeah. Let's jump to the
yeah,
next one.
yeah.
Okay. Okay, so next one is the Layered Art Labs. And the team shared a video, which is this one, and I will just start.
Claire had worked on this painting all day. Then, a soft ping. Someone had just bought it. A quiet satisfaction. Then she saw what was left. The platform, just a website, had taken half the work, half the year for being the place the buyer happened to land. But she remembered something. A friend, another artist, had told her about a different kind of gallery, one the artist's own. The fee is 20%, and most of it goes back into marketing, so the work actually gets seen. So she switched. It only took an afternoon. It felt like any other website. And that was the point. What Claire never noticed is that all of it runs on a blockchain. Every sale verified, every decision voted on, the gallery owned by the people who fill it. She just uploads her work and talks to the people who love it. The trust runs quietly underneath.
Hi everybody, I'm Mac Jobless. I'm not a technical person. I'm an artist myself, so I'm really grateful for the guys in the group who are way more technical than me, and they helped me greatly. What we built is not a fancy crypto product. It's closer to Web 2 world. It deals with the online art market. The whole idea is to bring new people onto the blockchain. People who don't know anything about the blockchain, and to be honest, they don't need to. They just need to use the technology to solve their problem. So we built two platforms. One is a normal website that is basically art marketplace for selling paintings. Other application is application on user node, and basically that application deals with everything in behind scenes. So the blockchain part and verification and everything else. The idea is basically that when someone buys a painting on the website, the sale goes straight to the application and gets verified on the chain. Artists, they get also to decide about the membership, the governance, and other things. Online art marketplace is basically run by the artists himself. So the whole idea is to cut the middleman. And the middleman is big. Online galleries are $9 million market a year, and they take around 40 to 50% on every sale for only basically a website with maybe 5 to 15 employees. Our idea is simple. The ownership of that marketplace goes to the artists themselves, and the opportunity is real. Around 200K artists sell online right now. And we have around 1 million that are dormant but still present. Took user node technology and put it inside the Web 2 world artists already live in. Connecting to those two worlds and bringing new people onto the blockchain. That's the whole idea. And if you want to go deeper into what we built, there is a full technical write-up on our site. I want to thank you, everybody, for the opportunity, and that's it, guys. Thank you.
Okay, actually Jobless. This video was really cool. There is like a nice work behind it. Thank you very much for sharing that. So that's a video describing what you wanted to build from product point of view. And now if anyone wanted to test it, so it's here, and the application is called the Artists Collective, and there you can go there and test it. Okay. Same as previous ones, guys. If you have questions, please ask in the chat, and the team will be happy to answer them. Okay, thank you again for the team. Thank you for the nice effort there, for the good work. Let's jump. Do we have? I think we have Flash the Fashion back. Are you ready? Flash the Fashion. Okay, perfect.
Hello,
Okay.
can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear you. Just go ahead.
Cool, thanks. Sorry about that. My computer decided to just freeze. I think the best thing to do is give you like a text, like an audio, explain the project, and then I'll do a little video afterwards, just so less stressful. Okay, so I thought it'd be quite a cool idea just to create like a fun game, just something that people can play and just pick up. So my original idea was, the original idea we had was to kind of have like a kind of buried treasure app, where you kind of, where there's a grid, and you try and guess where the buried treasure was. And then I saw Dre's idea about World Cup, and I thought, maybe that's something cool we could do. So I've kind of done, all we've done is kind of incorporated a World Cup theme into this kind of buried treasure thing. So the idea is you start off on the first game, and if you find the treasure or you find the football, you progress to the next game in the tournament, and you gradually, as you go through, you gradually win the World Cup if you find all the balls. And there's like, I think there's 7 levels you go through. So yeah, so the player would buy they buy the tokens to play. And you can buy different amounts, like 2 tokens give 2 goes, 6 goes, or 16 goes, different variables of things like that. And as you progress through the tournament, the grid gets bigger, so there's more potential prize money to be won, but it's obviously more harder. So we tried to work out a way to do it so it was still a fun game to play. But it's also kind of, if you were operating this game, you would eventually get over like a 10% profit margin, 10 to 15%. There's a few little touches in it, like each team you play, like the background of the team will be like a map, a flag of that country, and as you click the squares to find the football, it uncovers like a piece of art of one of the footballers from that country. So it's got all these little fun things in there. There's like a leaderboard. So the idea was that the person who had the most points at the end, after the World Cup final was finished, would get a bonus. There's also a bonus if you guess the football. If you find the football on the grid in the first go, then you get this thing called the captain's bonus, which means you win like this pot that is accumulating as different people play the game. So that pot's growing all the time until somebody finds the football first go, and then that resets again, and then it will gradually build up. So we've got kind of a working example. I will show you a video of how it works shortly after this. After this, and then yeah, I mean, the point we're at now is where we're just integrating the real tokens with the game. So in effect, any player can use their tokens from their account or their wallet and just play the game and keep the kind of UI, very seamless, so it's not lots of clicking and asking for permission and everything. Yeah, it's been pretty. It's quite a fun experience. I did find out start with that we were using quite a lot of tokens initially, but then we moved down the 5 million. What was it? $5 per million or something. The least expensive one was still doing a good job, so that meant moving forward was a bit easier. We've still got quite a few things to do. It's going to improve the sound effects and the overall UI and design. Like to do it so there's like a language file so you can select different languages to start with. So maybe we'll do like 5 or 6 languages if we can do that. What else have we got to do? Yeah, just kind of polishing it up. Also just double checking that the financial amounts are all good. So if you did operate a game like this, obviously you need a gambling license to do it legally, but you would, over time, you would make a profit even with these things like the captain's pot where people guess first time. The idea is that over a longer length of time, then you would still make a profit if you were the developer of it. Yeah, so it's just kind of a fun game, really. I think that's about it, actually. But it's been a good experience to just try and use the vibe coding for it. I think it looks quite good.
Thank you very much, Flash the Fashion. So you were speaking about the video. Are you going to share it now or later?
No, I'm going to do it in the next 5 minutes. So I'll go and do it, and then I'll share it on the channel.
Yeah. Okay. Perfect. Thank you very much again. Ivan, did you want to say anything?
No, I was just doing thumbs up to video sharing.
Yeah, perfect. Cool. So in the meantime, I just shared again my screen. So the application we are speaking about is this one, Gold or Capitation. And
okay, you got it there. Yeah. Can you? I mean, I could make it public for a minute or two if you want. Or I could actually just make it public, maybe.
Oh, to make it public, actually, you have to go here, and I guess you need to go to Members and Visibility, and click on Everyone. Then it will require a new deploy.
Okay. Well, okay. Let me do a video anyway. But I guess now everybody's showing their ideas. I can kind of make it public now anyway. Oh, you can kind of see it, yeah.
Okay, perfect.
It should work. It should all work. There's a few UI things and make it a bit nicer design-wise. If you click on one of those squares, or just okay. So by 15, obviously it's not real tokens yet. If you keep clicking on one of those, it's optimized for mobile. It's not really a game. And there'll be a picture behind there which will kind of unveil itself. You should find a wall.
Oh,
there you go.
Finally, I exhausted all my credits before doing.
So there's a little fact there about this will be a picture of a footballer, and then there'll be a little fact there about that footballer. So you won that game, and then you move on. If you just show them, okay, so you continue, and then you play your next game. So you're France, you chose France, so you're playing England. All right, this one's actually got the flag in. So if you click these, again, if you click the square, it'll tell you to buy some more credit. Oh, okay.
It seems. Oh.
So this is David Beckham there.
Nice one.
You're not very good at this, are you, Sam? Let's go. It's definitely there, but I guess it's kind of also something you could actually use DK for to kind of prove that that is actually on the board in a certain position. It's not being, manipulated by the casino or whatever. So there is kind of that side of it I kind of thought about actually before we did it. So it could be, that position could be provable, I guess.
Yeah. So yeah, most of the apps that have been built now, so there is probably like small interaction with the chain, but in the next editions, I think we'll add probably like a hard requirement, that the interaction with the chain should be there. Yeah, and the application should be interacting with the chain. Okay. But what you just said makes total sense.
Yeah. I've basically got PR for integrating the token thing, but I didn't want to do it today just in case it messed everything up. So I wanted to just stay on the side of caution, just so I could show people this.
Yeah. I think fashion, just a matter of time. This is really good. Thank you very much for your team. So this is nice job, nice work. Yeah, same. I feel like I will spend the rest of the day playing games. Thank you again. But yeah, in case you have questions, please reach out to us about this date, but also the rest of the community. If anyone has questions, please ask in the chat, and the team will hopefully answer quickly.
Okay, cool. Thanks a lot.
Really fashion. Thank you very much again. Thank you for joining the stage and for doing the demo. Moving to the next one. I guess we did 1, 2, 3, and now moving to the Guardian Labs. So I'm going same to start the video.
Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. I am Banditya, and I will represent the Guardian Labs team to demonstrate and explain what Guardian is. In short, Guardian is a decentralized communication application with a fairly simple core idea. We want to provide a place where users can communicate, build communities, and interact socially in one application. To get started, in the top left corner, users can find the contacts menu and begin from there. Let me show you an example. Here, we can add the fish page. After that, users can immediately send messages on chain. Okay, a transaction history pop-up will appear. Besides that, users can also send images or tokens. Okay. Additionally, for users who want to build a community, we also provide a group chat feature where users can create groups. Here, users can manage the groups they create themselves. They can add members or change the group name. Okay, we also provide a feed feature. Here, users can create posts and like content. They can like content that other users share, and we can comment on it too. Okay. We also provide a profile page to view account information and user identity. Here we can add a bio, post count, number of contacts they have, and the number of messages they send. In the activity column, they The user can find the history of transactions they made within the application. And one feature we developed is Guardians. Through this feature, users can see their foreground contributions in user node. Jika si commisurate a certain contribution target, it will get the opportunity to mint an NFT as a form of appreciation for their contributions to the network. We can see it, but it is not ready yet. It is still in the development stage. Okay. Give the time, that is all. There is still much we need to improve. And for anyone who wants to provide criticism and suggestions, you can send them in the Guardian application or contact me on Discord. Okay, thank you for the opportunity and keep building.
Okay, perfect. Panditya, thank you very much for the video. And actually, I like the way you closed. You finished the video by asking everyone to share feedback in your app, so that's pretty good. So Evan, you are saying channels feature might be cool. Could you say more?
No, just that could be a cool feature. Eventually, I was thinking this is, I don't know how further off, but it'd be cool to have kind of be able to host the community inside the app and own the platform ourselves. So maybe we're even a few features away from being able to do that. Video sharing, I don't know how hard that is, but yeah.
Yeah, perfect. Thank you, everyone, for sharing that. Once again, Panditya, thank you very much for the video. Thank you to all the team for what you have built. Now, there is just one probably question. In the apps, we have two Guardian apps. Okay, so we have this one, and then there is another one. What is it? We have this one too. Okay, if you can just clarify what is the right one, but I guess it's this one. So I see recent activity on this one. So I guess it's this one. So, Banditya, do you mind sharing the link to your app? I'm sharing this one. I guess it's the right one. Okay, in the meantime, once again, thank you very much to the team for this good job. If you have questions, guys, please ask in the chat. And now let's move to the next one, which is Brotherhood. Same, they built the Bloom Money application, and they shared with us the video. I'm going to start the video.
Hello everyone. Here's a smart friend on behalf of Brotherhood team. I would like to make a presentation about the app that we are building. The app is Bloom Money. It's about social finance, where everyone user can trade, stake, join the launchpad, make onion market, etc. For example, here's a market. In market, we can see a top 50 of crypto token, where you can directly make a trade too. For example, like this. In trade, you can there is a perf and also a swap. You can swap with a market price or limit. So the perf too. In portfolio, you can see what a token or coin that you holding. Also your watch list. For example, also there is a function of wallet. You can receive and send. In the future, I would like to maybe adopt a QR code so it's easy to receive the token. The journal is a copy trade. Is basically if someone you follow, you can go. You can follow the copy, follow and copy them. For example, MPP for Tunru. You can check. You can click the profile, then you can maybe follow or message and then copy thread. If the user already post about here thread, then in stake you can stake. You can stake maybe, for example, Bloom or Ethereum or Solana or Bitcoin. For example, I will try to stake my Bloom 5 carbon, stake it. Then you can see your active stake here. Maybe you can use unstake. Something like that. Then pool is a liquidity pool where you can add some token, rare token. For example, Bloom with USDC, you can click and then the amount please you can input maybe 5 and 10 USDC, 8, and you can withdraw it or remove it. For yeah, you can, but it's still sorry, but still buggy. Have a bug in there. Yeah, there is a few strategies in the future. Launchpad is like IDO or IDO, initial DEX offering. For example, maybe Bloom token ADO for some maybe someday. Also, there is a NFT. You can mint, you can sell, you can mint, trade, transfer to another user. Then predict market. This is opinion market. Yeah, like in user you can trade. Yeah, but there is still a buggy. I'm sorry. But yeah, maybe in the future we can finish this opinion marketplace. Then there is a subscription. Basically, this subscription is all free because there is no money spent to join to subscribe for example Pro or Premium Plus. For in tier free, there's only by link connected your wallet. For Pro, there is using a social media account to verify your account. And then Premium Plus, it's basically by CK password. There is still unavailable in this environment. Then message. You can send message to another user in this platform. For example, this gift I sent to gift any for testing. And this profile, someone sorry, this is a profile that we see before. Yeah, there is a bug. It should be our profile. My profile should be maybe because first I check here from home. Let me see if I test something like this. You can see a post before my reply, my dear, I posted my portfolio in other user POV. It is but not different, not be different with portfolio that only I can see this. Thank you. Maybe you can give us some critic or idea. Thank you for having me. Good luck, and sorry for my bad English. Have a great day. Bye bye.
Okay, perfect. Smart friend, your English is perfectly good, and we understood everything. And so thank you very much. It was clear, and we see the nice work of the team. Thank you again for all that. Thank you, Scrido, for uploading this work. It's a nice one. So, Derga, not sure about your question, but I will let the team answer in the chat. Okay. Once again, smart friend, thank you very much for the presentation, for the video. Thank you to your team. And now moving to the next one, which is Matrix. So Matrix, they shared a video with us too, and I'm going to play.
Hi, everyone. Today, I'm presenting a number guessing game, a decentralized token-based prediction app. This project is a simple number guessing game designed to demonstrate the implementation of an interactive application within the UserNode blockchain environment. In this game, users are asked to guess a number determined by the system. Each guess receives feedback indicating whether the entered number is too high or too low, until the user finds the correct answer. The main focus of this project is not only on gameplay, but also on serving as a means of exploration and learning in building applications that can run and interact with the UserNode ecosystem. Through this project, I aim to understand the development workflow, feature integration, and how to build a simple yet engaging user experience. As you can see on the home screen, users are greeted with a personalized welcome message. Here we can see the current round information, round 3, set to medium difficulty, with a number range of 1 to 100. Players can track their streak and their best score, and filter results by time 1 hour, 6 hours, 1 day, or 1 week. The bottom navigation gives quick access to the game, leaderboard, history, and My Games tabs. Now let's jump into the gameplay. The core mechanic is simple. Players use a slider to pick a number between 1 and 100. In this example, the player has selected 68. Each guess costs 1 token, and players start with 10 guesses per round. Once they're happy with their number, they tap Place Guess 1 token to lock it in.
For developers, there's also a dev mode shown here in dark theme, where you can test changes privately before they go live. Here, the player has selected 18, and after tapping place guess, the button changes to confirming, indicating the transaction is being processed on-chain. Before the guess is finalized, a confirmation modal appears. Lock in your guess. It shows the guess number, the token cost, and how many guesses remain. The player can review the details, then choose to deny or confirm. This extra step prevents accidental guesses and adds a layer of user control. In summary, this number guessing game combines simple, intuitive gameplay with blockchain-based token mechanics. It features a clean UI, a developer-friendly testing mode, and a secure confirmation flow. It's not just a game, it's a practical example of how Web3 apps can be both fun and user-friendly. Thank you for your time.
Okay, back to my face. So thank you very much to the Matrix team for sharing the video. That was pretty straightforward, clear, I guess. The voice was pretty pretty clear too. So I guess that was an AI made one, but that's fine. That's totally fine. I think the most important thing is more the work you did, guys. Okay. So if you wanted to test it, I'm not sure if it's already public, but I'm pretty sure there are a few things to fix before the final testing. What is it? I guess it's in the, yeah, so this is this one, number guessing game. So it's this one, in case you wanted to test it. Okay, guys, so we are already out of time, but we still have 2 to 3 teams to go. Let's move to the next one. In the meantime, if you have questions to the Matrix team, please put them in the chat. Starting the 7th one. So this is a Zero Code team, Zero Code project. Thank you for sharing this video. Just started it now.
Welcome. We're the Zero Code team. I'm Boss Crypto, and I'd like to introduce UserNode Quick Count. Quick Count, a Web3-based quick count solution that delivers full transparency and real-time speed in election data tabulation. Using decentralized technology, we ensure that election data is available in real time, free from manipulation, and accessible to everyone. Let's take a look at the issues currently facing the electoral process. There are 3 major unresolved challenges. First, delays and the potential for data fraud. Conventional tabulation systems rely on C1 paper forms, which are slow and vulnerable to manipulation at various levels. Second, the extremely high cost of polling. Candidates must spend hundreds of millions of rupiah on external polling firms that lack transparency and accountability. Third, the massive demand for data. Citizens, businesses, candidates, and even official institutions like the KPU all need fast, verified data. Imagine the traditional data flow, from the polling station, to the sub-district, to the regency, to the province, and finally, to the central government, a process that takes 3 to 7 days, with numerous points vulnerable to manipulation. This is what we aim to solve. We offer an open and responsive quick count system. The way it works is simple, yet powerful. Step 1, instant data entry. Observers on the ground immediately enter vote tally results for each polling station via an easy-to-use mobile or tablet interface. Step 2, real-time recap. The system automatically calculates each candidate's percentage of the vote in real time. No delays, no intermediaries. Step 3, UserNode Web3 infrastructure. All data is permanently encrypted and verified by a network of nodes irrefutable and tamper-proof. Now, let's talk about the business model. Usernode Quick Count operates within a circular, mutually reinforcing token ecosystem. For the B2B or institutional segment candidates, businesses, and the General Election Commission, KPU, a payment of 1,000 Usernode tokens per election project is sufficient to activate the smart contract-based quick count management system. For the B2C, or general public segment citizens, researchers, and the media users can pay a micro-access fee in Usernode tokens to unlock premium features, real-time tallies, in-depth charts, and heat map analytics. The result? Every election season creates organic buying pressure on Usernode tokens, generating sustainable, real-world utility and long-term token value growth. Focus not only on technical reliability, but also on user experience and data security. Interface features we're proud of. Interactive, expandable menus for each TPS. A mobile-optimized interface, ideal for field witnesses. Percentage charts updated in real time with every new input. Strict data security. Strict validation. Only positive integers are accepted. Autofill system. Empty fields are filled with zeros by default. Web3 payment gateway. Wallet balances are deducted immediately when the project is locked. And one key feature we call time arbitrage prevention, an automatic time freeze that locks all form inputs before the reset deadline, eliminating last-minute manipulation loopholes and maintaining data integrity from the first report to the final tally. Now it's time to see this system in action. Currently, some features are still being refined and will improve in the future. Our limitations stem from the fact that the Usernode app is not yet perfect, so its integration requires some adjustments. If you want to get started, it only takes 3 steps. First, click the Simulate Vote Entry via AI button. Second, the system automatically processes and encrypts the data. Third, the percentage chart updates instantly. This is what sets Usernode Quick Count apart from other solutions. So we're not just counting votes. We're delivering a concrete Web3 business model that drives real token value and builds public trust from the very first minute. Thank you.
Okay, everyone, thank you again for the video. So that was the Zero Code team. I think that was Boss Crypto, right? Yeah, thank you. That was really very clear. What I like in those videos too is that the teams do not focus only on the technical part of it, but also on the product/business aspect of it, including like the tokenomics. So this is really good, and this helps us also figure out how to move forward and involve you guys in the definition of the tokenomics. So this is pretty good. Boss Crypto, thank you very much for the video. Thank you to your team for all the work you did. Same as previous teams. If there are questions, please ask them in the chat, and hopefully the team will answer them. Moving to the last one, which is King Ponda, and Saindi shared the video with us. I'm going to play it, and here we go.
Hello, good morning, everyone. Thank you for giving us this opportunity. Today, we're excited to introduce a fun dApp called Crypto Price Guess. It's a platform where users can predict the daily closing price of cryptocurrencies and compete with other players. It's actually also somewhat inspired by Polymarket, the largest prediction market platform covering a wide range of topics, including price targets for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies. It has high liquidity, so it's often used as an indicator of market sentiment. The app runs on the Usernode blockchain. It's still in the early stages of development, but it already offers a fun and educational way to learn about crypto price movements. Oh, and one more thing. This app works directly on your phone, so we'll be demonstrating everything using a mobile device. Let's quickly go through how it works. I've already tried it before this recording, so now I'll walk you through the app and its main features. Step 1. Open the dApps menu. First, open the dApps menu at the bottom of the app. You'll see a list of available dApps, including Crypto Price Guess. Step 2. Enter Crypto Price Guess. Tap on Crypto Price Guess. On the home screen, you'll see a countdown timer showing how much time is left before the current prediction round ends. The round resets every day at 0 UTC. You'll also see the latest prices for cryptocurrencies like BTC, ETH, DOT, Matic, and many more. Step 3. Choose a cryptocurrency. Next, tap the Guess button on the cryptocurrency you'd like to predict. For this example, I'll choose ADA Cardano, which is currently trading at $0.1443. Step 4. Enter your price prediction. Now, enter your predicted closing price in USD. For this demo, I'll simply enter 1, which means I'm predicting ADA will increase by about 594% from its current price. Step 5, add a note. You can also add a short note of up to 140 characters. This could be your analysis, the reason behind your prediction, or even a little friendly trash talk, just for fun. Step 6, submit your prediction. Finally, tap the Predict or Stake button to submit your prediction. That's it. Your prediction has been recorded. Next, we have the History tab, where you can view all of your previous predictions. There's also a leaderboard that is intended to show the top users. Unfortunately, this feature isn't fully functional yet. But it's something we're continuing to improve. And finally, there's the Profile tab, where you can see your personal statistics and other account information. We know there's still a lot of room for improvement, and we're especially looking forward to the addition of smart contract support, which will make this application much more complete. That's all for today's demo. We'll continue improving and expanding the app in the future. Thank you, everyone.
Okay, back to the presentation. King Panda team, thank you very much for the video. Thank you again for the good work you did there. So in case anyone wanted to test the application, it's here. It's called Crypto Price Guess, and there you can see it. Yeah, same as I said previously. In case you have questions, please ask them in the chat. Okay, so I think we are done for today. As I said earlier, Cube P2P didn't provide any link for now, and also we are 15 minutes over time. Just quick conclusion. This is just midpoint check-in. We are aware that there are a few fixes to do, and by the end of this hackathon, I'm pretty confident that we'll see something bigger than what we saw now, which is already good. So that reflects also like the hard work you are doing, guys. Before to close the call, Evan, do you want to say anything, something, or we can stop already?
Nothing other than it's cool to see everyone's like apps and all the progress on them. Yeah, and to say like we're here to answer any questions or help everyone get over the finish line over the next few days.
Yeah, perfect. So thank you again to the different teams who presented. Thank you to you guys for taking the time to record those videos. But also I wanted to say thank you to the User Labs team for preparing all this, and yeah, and for all the work you are doing behind the scene. So everyone, I wish you a good day. Let's stop here, and looking forward to see the final demos at the end of the hackathon. Thank you very much. See you.
Thanks, everyone.